6 Best Yoga Poses to Burn Belly Fat. Are you tired of stubborn belly fat? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the top 6 yoga poses that can help you shed those unwanted pounds and achieve a toned midsection. Get ready to ignite your core and sculpt your body with these powerful yoga moves. Stay tuned to the end to discover the #1 yoga pose for burning belly fat. Number 6. Sun Salutations. Sun salutations are a series of yoga poses that make your body move, stretch, and get stronger. They can help your blood flow, speed up your metabolism, and make you more flexible. Try doing 10 to 15 sets of sun salutations every day to help you lose weight. Number 5. Warrior 2. According to Akshar, a yoga teacher, the Warrior 2 pose is great for your legs, arms, and middle muscles. It helps you stand steady and focus better. By doing this pose and using your muscles, you can burn more calories and make your thighs and butt stronger. To make it harder, try going deeper into the lunge, standing up straighter, and stretching your arms out to the sides. Number 4. Chair Pose. The chair pose is a tough exercise that works your legs, butt, and stomach muscles. To do it, pretend you're sitting in a chair, but keep standing. Raise your arms up high and hold the pose for a while. This exercise will make your heart beat faster, burn more calories, and strengthen your muscles. Number 3. Plank Pose. The plank pose is a great exercise that works your whole body, from your belly to your legs and arms. When you do a plank, you keep your body straight and tight, which helps you get stronger and have better posture. Try holding a plank for 30 seconds to 2 minutes and see if you can do it longer over time. Number 2. Boat Pose. Boat pose is a yoga move that helps you get stronger in your tummy, hips, and back. It also helps you balance better. When you do this pose, you sit on your sitting bones and lift your legs and body off the ground. This works your core muscles and helps you burn fat and digest food better. Try holding this pose for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing slowly and keeping your back straight. Number 1. Bridge Pose. Bridge pose is great for your back, butt, and hamstrings. It also stretches your chest and shoulders. When you do this pose, you lift your hips up and push down with your feet and arms. This helps your body burn more calories. Hold the pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute and try to lift your hips higher each time you breathe in. So that's it for today's video on the top 6 yoga poses to burn belly fat. Did you know about all these poses? Which ones are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to losing belly fat. Try to incorporate these yoga poses into your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week. We'll be back soon with more fitness tips and workout routines. Stay tuned.